What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day today. I am so excited, even though it's literally about to rain now. It looks like it was literally just clear, and now it's not, so yeah. But in other news, my name is Elvis, and welcome to the Golden Drive. In case this is your first time watching, this is my 1982 Datsun 280ZX, and it is amazing because even though I cut it up and made it look exactly how I wanted it to look and put a ski box on the roof and all that, it has always felt slow. And so I decided I needed to change things up, especially after going to a drag race on the track and yeah, just running like 20s. So I wasn't pushing it to the limit, and because I didn't want to blow something up. But the Datsun engine currently runs perfectly fine. But I was like, why don't I make it faster? And so I just wanted to explain to you guys, or to tell you guys, that I am going to be swapping this engine, or this car. We're gonna wait for the delivery driver. He's literally on his way here now, and yeah, when he gets here, then we will begin offloading or unloading, I don't know, unloading the engine from his 18-wheeler. Yeah, I'm excited to get this thing started. It's gonna be great. I don't know how I'm gonna keep the engine, because as you guys can see, I do not currently have a garage. Because I stay in an apartment complex for now, and so I'm probably gonna have to ask a friend because I know some friends with garages. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. So let's wait for the delivery driver to come here. So okay. This is it. Finally got the engine and transmission. The only problem is this freaking 1-ton jack is literally useless because it's too short pretty much. So I'm probably gonna have to buy a 2-ton now. Dang it. It is a 5.3 liter V8 engine. I think it's called an LM7. Pretty much it's an LS engine from a GMC Sierra, I think 1500. I think yeah, and so the car was bought at auction, and they stripped the engine down, stripped the transmission, and yeah, they were only gonna sell the engine to me, but I was like, take the transmission out, and so yeah, they delivered both to me, and I am so excited to get started on this project. It's gonna be great. I've never done it before, and so I'm very scared of messing up a perfectly good car, but we will see what happens. But the engine is here, so I have to swap it in, right? Like, I literally don't have any option. But there's a problem because the engine came damaged. Because if you guys would see in the video, when the engine came, it actually moved over. So I don't know if the way they loaded the engine or something, but something was wrong. And so whenever they pretty much it moved in transit pretty much, and it ended up cracking the oil pan, which I reached out to the eBay sellers about, and they said they were gonna refund me, blah 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 blah, all that good stuff. I'm so excited to be swapping this thing. I'm so pumped, but like, I'm still kind of scared. I don't want to mess something up because I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'll let you guys know exactly how it goes, because you guys are literally gonna watch it, and yeah. And you guys might be asking, wait, why are you swapping out the L28E and the Datsun for an LS? Why don't you use what's it called, a turbo, pretty much, because that one is an NA in the car now, but it has turbo heads on it. I think P28 or something heads on it, and so they're the turbo heads. So literally I just need to get a turbo and one or two other things and it'll work. But I just want modern performance, and I want modern, I mean, it's very reliable, but I just want a V8. I just want sounds. I want to do burnouts. And hopefully maybe even do a little bit of mild drifting. I don't know, with this key box on the roof. So it's gonna be very funny and very entertaining to watch. But in the meantime, that is pretty much it, guys. Yeah, if you guys know, in the beginning of this journey, this engine search, I was looking for a bunch of stuff. I was looking for maybe an RB26, or maybe what's it called, an RB26, or maybe even an RB25 turbo, or I was even looking for a 2JZ, 1JZ, all of that stuff. But it pretty much did not go as expected, because I saw this amazing deal and I just could not resist. Oh my gosh. Now, the reason I went LS, a lot of people might be asking why, is pretty much because of parts are so easy to come by. I don't need to fabricate pretty much almost anything, and it is just going to go more smoothly, especially since it's my first engine swap. Now, maybe in the future I might be swapping it with something else, but for now I think LS is the way to go, just because it's just easy, and it's, again, my first time doing all of this stuff, and I want to make my job as easy as possible. Because if I say, okay, I want to get something else, maybe like an RB26, and mounts don't exist, I pretty much am going to have to make the mounts for it, and I don't completely trust myself in welding yet to be making mounts. So because my welds are very very sketchy. So yeah, that's pretty much why I went with the LS. Parts are very cheap and easy to come by, and it's probably been done before. People have swapped LSs into Datsuns, so it'll be easy to check performance and all of that stuff. But that's pretty much why I chose an LS engine. So let me know what you guys think. Did I make the wrong decision? Did I make the right decision? Am I an idiot? Probably. But just, yeah, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys have an amazingly golden day. If you're looking forward to see the LS swapped Datsun 280ZX project start, please just subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and because it really helps to push it up so that more people can see it. And that's pretty much it. Have an amazingly golden day with Cherry. So, okay, bye.